Login loop error on Funding Circle Business Fix. If your Funding Circle business account keeps looping back to the login page every time you try to sign in, you're not alone. Many business owners face this frustrating issue, but the surprising truth is, it's not usually a major platform error. In most cases, it's caused by cache data, outdated app sessions, or browser conflicts. The good news: you can fix it in just a few minutes. First, close the Funding Circle app or browser tab completely. If you're using the app, go into your phone settings. On Android, tap Apps, then Funding Circle, and choose Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe the app away from your recent screens. Next, clear the cache. Android users can find this under Storage inside the app settings. Just hit Clear Cache. iPhone users can uninstall and reinstall the app to remove any corrupted files. Now, make sure your app or browser is up to date. Outdated versions often fail to connect properly to Funding Circle secure authentication servers. Go to the App Store or Google Play and check for updates. If you're using a web browser, clear your cookies and cache there too. Old login sessions can easily conflict with new ones, causing an endless redirect loop. Still looping? Try switching your network. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Some business networks block security redirects used during login. Finally, turn off any password managers or autofill tools just for this attempt. Manually enter your credentials. Sometimes those tools add invisible spaces or characters that trigger the loop. Once you've done all this, restart your device and try logging in again. 9 times out of 10, the issue disappears instantly. So next time your Funding Circle business login keeps looping, don't panic. It's rarely your account or credentials at fault, it's just your device hanging onto outdated data. Clear it, refresh, and you'll be back to managing your business funding smoothly in no time.